much for stopping by. I am honored to have had this brand reach out to me in order to check out a few of their pieces and give an honest review. Now, without further ado, this video is sponsored by, drum roll please, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Y'all ready? Drum roll please. Sponsor. Y'all see the package? What y'all think? Who y'all think is sponsored by? Temu! This video is sponsored by Temu. Now, if you don't know, Temu is an affordable retailer that offers goods in fashion, home goods, sports, outdoors, pets, accessories. Listen, if you name it, Temu probably sells it, okay? Now, Temu has partnered with me today to try out a few of their outfits and to give my honest review. Now, if you know me, if you've been here before, you know I love me a good outfit on a budget, okay? And Temu has promised me just that. Now, Temu was also graceful enough to provide me with a discount code for all of my subscribers. Yes, that means you. You can also use my discount code OFF2395 to receive 30% off your first purchase with Temu. You can also download the Temu app and use my special code OFF2395 to receive 30% off your order via the app. Great thing about Temu is they offer free shipping. Listen, I hate to pay for shipping, all right? They offer free shipping and returns within the U.S. And because they're so affordable, you can shop hundreds of items for less than $10, okay? Now, if you're on a budget and you want to shop now and also pay later, Temu offers AfterPay as well as a secured, they accept payments for a secured debit or credit card. That means there's no excuse. Don't forget to check out the description box below that has the links for all the outfits we'll be trying out today and some of the other links that you will need as well to download the app. Alright, y'all, so now that we're done with business, let's get to the fun part, okay? Let's get to it. I'm so excited to open up this package, you all. I waited because I wanted to open it with y'all. Y'all know y'all my besties. I told y'all y'all my best friend. And I want to be able to do this with you all. So we're going to all get the first impression of these outfits. Good job. Listen, when I say your package is secure, and I don't want to break my nail. Hold on. Let me get a scissors. Hold on. I don't want to break my nails. Y'all see my nails? So cute. Feeling a little zebra-ish, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors. Hopefully I don't poke through. I hate cutting things because I always feel like I'm going to cut the... Oh, child. Oh, child. Got to be careful because I can't cut my little outfits now. Let's see. Let's see. I'm so excited, y'all. I am so excited. It took everything in me. Oh, child. I hope I ain't cut this. Ooh, I see it. 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 Okay. Let's see here. What we got? What we got? Ooh. Okay. 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 All right. So I like that the similar to Shein, their packaging, it's really great. I actually save these little bags, so when I'm traveling, especially like if I'm going anywhere with the water in the Caribbean islands or whatever, I keep these bags because I put in all of my wet clothes in here. I also use it to separate things. It's like a little travel pack. I use that, so that's one. Okay, so they separate each item. These bags are huge. Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Wait, nothing else in here, child. I'm so excited. I don't know which one to try on first. Ooh, eeny, meeny, miny. Ooh, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one do y'all want to try on first? I'm so excited. Let me go put these on. I'll be back. Let's see which one we're trying on first. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. All right, besties. So we're back with the first piece. Listen, this is the piece that I indicated that I actually purchased from another vendor. I actually purchased it from a boutique, a local boutique here. And it's some red long pants. And I really wanted to test this out because I love that set. It's a two-piece set. It's a two-piece set. It actually comes with a hoodie. It comes with a hoodie, which I like. The top is a little bit big. Ooh, child. That's a no-no. The top is a little bit bigger. A little green riding hood. Y'all see me? This outfit is so cute. But it is a two-piece set. It comes with a zipper. I love the quality. It's like a sweater type of quality, you see? A knitted sweater type of quality. I love these things. This outfit is so cute, y'all. It's green. So I think it gives teal on the camera, but it's like a true green. It really is a true green. It's cute. It zips all the way up, zips all the way down. I kind of like to wear it off the shoulder a little bit. Y'all know I like everything off shoulder. Everything is off my shoulder, okay? But it doesn't have to be. You can do one shoulder, which I've done before. The last time I wore my red one, I've done it like that. It fits well. It's actually really thick up here, which is good because it holds in everything. You can put the sweater over it. I really like it. I really like it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So the quality, definitely 10 out of a 10. The fit, this is a size 4, I believe. This is a size 4. I'll put the sizes in the description box as well, the sizes that I purchased. I normally wear a size small either way, so a lot of these, with the exception of one, I believe it's like an extra small, is a size 2. Everything is a size 4. It fits well. It definitely fits snug. It fits well. This is naturally a little bit bigger, but it's meant to fit like a sweater, so I'm not against it at all. I wish it had other colors. It only comes in green. I've only found it in green. But if it had other colors, you know I would. I love it for the summertime. If you just want to hang out. It's very lightweight as well. Breathable. So you can wear it for the summer. So this is a yes for me. Temu, right now you at 10 out of 10, baby. You might be winning Shein right now, okay? I'll be back. Let me go get the next outfit number 2. Let's go. Alright, so this is the second piece. This is, y'all know I love sets. If I'm going to go in, I'm going to buy me a set. I love me a good old set because I can mix and match the pieces, which is what I'm about. I can wear these shorts, which I love. They're like, it seems as though it's drawstring, but unfortunately it is tight right here. It's very snug though, so it's not as though I can tighten up this top the shorts more than it already is. It's a lavender color. I don't know how it's showing up on screen, but it is a lavender color. Let me give y'all a closer look. It's not gonna, is it gonna focus? There you go. But it's like a lavender color. It's a lavender color. It does run pretty big, honestly, and I think this was the smallest. This was the smallest size. Hold on, let me check. Okay, so I want to check the sizing for you all because we just got to get it together. I think this is it right here. So I definitely got an extra small. This piece right now online, it is going for $12.98. The original price is $19 because it is giving a 31% off on the website right now. So if you purchase it today, but it is sort of big, but it's like a chill type of outfit. I'm not, hold on. It's supposed to be like a chill type of outfit, which is why I purchased it. Like if I'm going out to a resort, this is one of those hangout kind of outfits. I want to run errands, but I still want to be cute, which who doesn't want to be cute while they run errands, right? Kind of do this one side thing, wear some sandals, you know, have you like a little beach bag or whatever. The sleeves is pretty long, I'll be honest with you. It goes way past my elbow. Now, okay, I know my arms are short. I'm only 4'11", guys, okay? My arms are short, but honestly, it's like a midway quarter sleeve type of top, but it's really cute. Let me see. Y'all know I'm always trying to find a way to alter these clothes. Let me see. I might. You know what? Temu, I'm not mad at you, sis. I'm not mad at you at all, homie. I'm not mad at you at all, Temu. There you go. I done rolled up the sleeves. Whew. Baby, ain't nothing you can fix when it comes to fashion, all right? There's no right or wrong way to wear it. You got to find what works for you and your body type, okay? Now, because my arms are short, I did roll up the sleeves a little bit. I love this color. Now, I'm be honest with you. This color right here is beautiful on person. Like, it's really beautiful. And I don't think I have anything lavender in my closet, so it was really nice to try it out. It doesn't have any, the shorts, the only thing that would have made this outfit better is these shorts actually had pockets. Now, I would die for it, okay? But there aren't any pockets. It's really just a chill little outfit, loungewear. This is the back of it. Collar, 2-piece set. It's just a collar 2-piece set. Again, this is a size small, extra small that I purchased it in. So they do kind of run big. The waistband still has stretch in it, so it is pretty expandable. Oh yeah, you could fit a whole nother me in here, child. Me and my daughter could get in here. But I love this outfit, guys. Definitely highly recommend. Now, if you're not new to this channel, you've seen an outfit similar to this, okay? So on one of my previous Shein hauls, I had this 2-piece outfit. I don't even want to call it a 3-piece. It's a 2-piece outfit, but it does come with a belt, okay? So I wanted to add this to my haul because I need to test out the quality of Temu to see if it holds up to the expectations that I have for Shein. Now y'all know I'm a Shein gal. I live by Shein, okay? Everything. So Temu, you had some competition, and let me tell you, okay, 10 has met my expectations. Matter of fact, as a first time trying on their clothes for the first time, they actually have exceeded my expectations, okay, so far. So we're on outfit number 3. This is a 2-piece set, like I told you. I love this set. I really do love this set. It's very lightweight. It's versatile. It's like a champagne type of color. It's exactly what you're seeing on screen, actually. It looks like a beige tan type of color. I love it. I love it. It comes with a belt. You can wear it with or without the belt, which is what I love the most. You can tuck it in. I'm going to show y'all all the ways you can wear it. You don't have to tuck it in. It's really, really cute. And again, the thing I like about sets is I can wear this with a pair of jeans, some slacks, and this will still be cute. And I can also wear the shorts. So it's so many outfits, different outfits. I can think of 4 different ways I can wear this outfit. So now y'all know on the previous set, I said the one thing that'll make it a 10 is if it had what? Let me hear. Type it down below if you were listening. The only thing that would make the lavender outfit better, I said, is if it had pockets. And baby, Boo got pockets, okay? Boo came through with pockets, all right? Temu, come on. Come on. I love me some shorts with pockets, love pants with pocket. It's just a little casual thing, you know. I'm a little awkward in public sometimes, so it gives me something to do with my hands, you know. I love this. I love this set. Yeah, definitely met the expectations. It's the same quality as Shein, to be honest with you. This one is a little more shimmery, shiny type of fabric, but I love it. I really do love it. Now it gives high quality. It gives, I can go to someone's dinner, dress this up with some heels, grab a nice bag, accessorize this. I can really bring this outfit out, which is what I love about these inaffordable, cheaper price pieces that I like to purchase. I'm not all about spending money on outfits. Listen, I might wear it today, and for another 6 to 8 months, it never comes out of my closet, which is why I refuse to spend a lot of money on outfits. And Temu, you have come through. Baby, I'm going to be placing an order because, listen, I need somebody's vacation. Vacation me, please. Send me on a resort. Yes. Highly recommended. The link again is in the bio if you want to make this purchase. Let's go. Alright guys, so we have one last piece to try on. Let's see. Now this piece I'm excited for because I love me a good blazer. Let's see if this blazer meet the expectations. Let's go. Alright y'all. This is the last piece, and I think I saved the best for last. So this is not part of the haul. I just threw on some black little crop top because this piece is stunning. So this is a 2-piece set that Temu sent me. Love this skirt. It's actually a size 4. I was a little skeptical. Let me tell y'all, on borderline. My weight is up and down. I don't know what size I am. Sometimes I'm an extra small, sometimes I'm a small. I guess I'm really happy this week. I mean, as stressful as work has been, I guess I might have been a little happy because, girl, this still fits, okay? This is a size 4. I was a little scared. I thought it was actually going to be a little too big. But, yeah, that's not the best part. Hold on. Y'all still holding on? Because Temu did not have to come this hard, okay? This is the blazer, the 2-piece blazer. Y'all, I don't think this camera is going to do it any justice. Now, there are some few loose threads here, right here. That's a loose thread. But nothing I can't cut off, child. For the price that you pay for these things, chop them off. This side, oh, is it? Yeah, there's a loose thread over here. But nothing too major, child. Chop, chop, chop. What more are you asking for, okay? This is not... come on, Temu. There's no pockets. Why you did that? Why did you not leave the pockets? Why did you not just add pockets? Oh, the skirt has pockets. I'm good, see? Still big chillin'. Alright, I'm still good. So the skirt does have pockets, which is really good news. Again, I'm awkward in public. I need to be able to put my hands somewhere. I don't necessarily always put things in my pocket, but my hands just, unless I'm just standing like this, or I'm like this, very intimidating, right? So yeah, I like to stick my hands in pockets so I can be a little neutral. But I like this. This is more of a, it says white, but honestly it's more like a cream off-white type of color. I wouldn't consider this white. It's not white. It's like that cream off-white color. But it is beautiful, to be honest with you. Look at that. Let me turn around for y'all. I love the gold buttons that come down the blazer. Now unfortunately, which is why I had to put a top under this, the blazer doesn't close at all. It doesn't shut off at all. So I'm not able to pin. I mean, I guess you can pin it if you want to keep it closed, but you do have to wear an undergarment for it. But I love this set. This right here, definitely 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Definitely 9 out of 10. But it's really cute. Really cute. It stretches. The waistband doesn't stretch at all, but the skirt actually does stretch a lot. It has a lot of stretch, as you can see. It is above the knee, which I love. I hate a skirt that's like, listen, my skirts have to be above my knees, okay? If not, it has to be ankle length. I don't like mid skirts. Only pencil skirts for work. Other than that, I don't really, it's not my preference. So this was actually the last piece, guys. Again, all the links will be in the description box. We've come to the end of this haul, you all. These pieces were amazing. Temu, again, thank you so much for partnering with me and sending me out these pieces. You all, don't forget to check out the Temu website, which is linked in the description box. And don't forget to use my discount code, which is off $23.95, which will allow you 30% off your first purchase, as well as an additional 30% off once you download the app and make another purchase there. Again, Temu, the pieces are a match. I highly recommend it. Test it out yourself. Again, they sell household items as well, which is amazing. I'm actually going to purchase some kitchen items as well. As you know, I love to cook. Love to cook, and I'm going to test. They also have kid clothes as well. I would love to purchase some items for my daughter. Now, Temu does also offer an affiliate program, which you do not have to be an influencer in order to join their affiliate program. And you don't need a huge following as well. You simply just need to be able to promote. As part of the affiliate program, you can receive $5 for each new user that uses your referral code. You can also receive up to 20% on all of your referral orders. So don't forget to click the link below to sign up for the affiliate program. Now, if you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like the content, don't forget to like it so that YouTube can spread awareness of this video and spread it out to others as well. And don't forget to comment down below what your favorite piece was. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to treat yourself. Listen, ball on the budget, okay, sis? Love you, bestie. Bye.